I've got him stopped here.
A trooper attempted to stop a black motorcycle with no license plate after Special Agent 𝗨𝗪 reported it speeding. The rider initially slowed, but then fled, initiating a pursuit.
Ten-4, we're turning on to Franklin now.
Eastbound on 70. Negative, stay straight.
CFS comments added.
Trying, baby.
Officers attempted to stop Jacob Kenneth Dunn, who had a felony warrant and had fled law enforcement multiple times. He refused to stop in a gray Kia Sorento, leading to a chase.
Well, we'll be 1024 with the vehicle. I don't have the 28 yet. There's two units in front of me. It's a gray SUV. They're not stopping yet. Northbound Crutcher. Taking a right on standby. Taking a right on Cottle. I believe we're going to be 1037.
Yeah, we're going to 1037. Yep. 45 on the secondary. Yep. 45 used that car to take him out. Speed is 100 on Greg, still southbound. Yep. Thank you. Take more passes, take more, still set up. West on north. Take more west on North Street.
Oh, shit. 45's out of it.
Yeah, 45.
I'm primary. The suspect is losing tires.
Yeah, for your primary suspect losing tires.
He's smoking real bad. Smoking so bad, I can barely see him right now. Okay, we're going the opposite lane.
We're going opposite lane.
Coming up on 49.
Do not let him get on the interstate going the wrong way.
Okay, we're going over the interstate, still westbound.
Yeah, we're over the interstate, still westbound.
We got a little bit of traffic right here.
Yeah,
Turning on Steamboat.
turn on Steamboat.
Get now! Show me your hand right now! Get out! Driver, get out! Get out! Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
Turn around! Stop! Stop!
Okay.
That's the passenger! Get out! Get away! Shut your mouth!
Shut your mouth, we're not talking to you.
Now get on your knees! Get on your knees!
Get on your knees.